Kuala Lumpur, the capital of Malaysia, is a vibrant and bustling metropolis offering a unique blend of modernity and rich cultural heritage. One of the fastest-growing cities in Southeast Asia, Kuala Lumpur has become a popular destination for business and leisure travelers alike. One of the best ways to experience the beauty and grandeur of Kuala Lumpur is through aerial views captured by drone. As the economic and cultural hub of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur boasts a plethora of attractions and activities to suit every traveler's interests. In terms of tourist infrastructure, Kuala Lumpur offers an excellent transportation network, including an efficient train system that connects different parts of the city. In addition, there are a variety of accommodation options ranging from cheap hostels to luxury hotels catering to different preferences and budgets. Plan your visit to this vibrant city and discover why it continues to be one of the top tourist destinations.